Guys, welcome back again. This is MathStats with another video. Today we're gonna be looking at. Oh, by the way, before I continue, don't forget to like the video, and of course, subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell. Today, we're going to look at graphing. So, some people have issues with graphing. It's not that hard unless you have an idea, unless somebody can actually explain to you exactly how it is done properly. Now, let me show you something. So let's say they tell you, okay, graph this right here. You have a function where x is between -1 and 5. So basically what that one is saying is x such that x is between -1 and 5. That's all it's saying right now. So graph x such that x is between -1 and 5. And now let's see how we're gonna graph it. So you know how when you graph a 2D, or actually that's a one panel. So this is x, right? What those two arrows means infinity. So basically this is -infinity, all right? And this is positive infinity. So you have negative infinity, positive infinity, and somewhere here is 0. Okay? So then we have -1. So because now we got 0, we go 1 below -1. We go 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, it's too close. So that's that. We got 4 and then 5. Just so you guys have an idea. Well, and that's -2. You know what? Let me actually. No, it's okay. That's fine. You get the idea. -2, -3, and all that. So x is between -1 and 5. The idea is we have two ways of graphing that. One, we can do a graph with a little circle or with a parenthesis. That's one of them. Or we can do a bracket. So the circle and parentheses are basically saying that the -1 is not included, all right? And then the bracket means that the -1 is actually included. So in this case, the -1 is not included. How do we know? Because the sign says less than. Okay? So that -1 is less than x and x is less than 5. So in that case, because -1 is not included, we're going to put a parenthesis like this. And because 5 is not included, we're going to put a parenthesis like that. And this is actually x. This right here is the graph of x. Oh. This right here basically is the graph of x. This is x. Now, let's say we had one that is different. Let's say we had graph x such that x is between 0 and 3, but this time x is 0 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 3. Again, we graph and positive infinity, and here we have 0. 1, 2, and 3. Now, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1. Because we have this now, this sign means it equals to less than or equal. And that sign would be greater than or equal. All right, so this is less than or equal, this is greater than or equal. Now, in that one says x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 3. In this case, now we put in a square bracket. So the square bracket means it's included. This is how you're gonna graph x is less than or equal to 3 and greater than or equal to 0. So guys, this is it for this little exercise. So you guys can actually have an idea of how to do graph. Next we're going to look at is, maybe I should give a third example, but we're going to look at that third example in another video. I want you guys to go ahead and like the video, and of course subscribe to the channel. And you will also, if you can, support this channel, because I'm going to be making more videos as I go. The link is in the description below for everything that you would need if you want to support this channel. Thank you. This was MathStats. Hope to see you guys again. Until then, MathStats out.